is chapter 1L, X's and O's. And this is talking about in chord diagrams whether to play the string open like this, no fingers on it, whether to block the string, that's an X, or whether just to not play the string at all. So an O means you don't put any fingers down on the string, but you still play it. An X means you block the string. And if there's nothing else, then you probably wouldn't play it. And where it comes in handy is when you get chords like this one, which is E over G sharp. It's kind of an awkward chord when you're first starting out. But if you play this A string, it is not actually a part of the chord. Its note is not a part of the chord. So what you need to do, you need to block this string and play the rest of the notes. So that's why it's important to read and understand your chord diagrams. Thank you so much.